He will be from tomorrow. He will not be with us as a boss and as a nature has made it like. So we have to celebrate it, and that is the beauty of this thing. To thank all of you for gracing this occasion despite the busy schedule. I thank you all, sir, for gracing this occasion. Now I would like to ask Chief Engineer, Engineer Rafiq Ahmed Rafiq Sahab to say a few words.
We basically will miss him from the active engineering involvement, but we had basically even offered to keep him engaged otherwise, but he wants to be engaged with his freedom, so that's a very good thing, that's a very good sign. I'm happy that he really takes things in such a positive fashion. I will wish him healthy and very happy post-retirement level and full of enjoyment. Very good decision to have him here after Farooq Saab's retirement. Although he got a very short time here, but he has really proved his mettle, and everybody around who has worked with him, whether the contractors or whether the engineers or for that matter, even we never had any issues from here, from a district, whatever we would basically pass on directions, he would easily get it solved through district administration. We are always thankful to them also for making his tenure here success, and to him for making his tenure success by his attitude, by his temperament. I wish him best. Thank you.
Ajaz Saab is terminating from active service today after putting a good service at his credit, and we have gathered here to just celebrate this occasion. He was open to everybody, whether in office or outside, with a help and for solving any problems which make him an exceptional engineer at Kulgam.
For all of us, especially for Ajaz Saab. Well, Ajaz Saab, this day comes to everybody, and people who go on this occasion with so much of gathering, it proves something else. It proves that the person has been lovable first of all. It is not how much work he has done, what is important, that how much love he is getting from all of you. And there must be many people who must not have been able to come. That is the biggest achievement that I feel. Now I'll tell you, I came specifically for Ajaz Saab because we have done our schooling together, our college was together, our professional college was together, then our department was together. But my senior officers have said special comments about him, but I will tell you something more. All along I have seen him, he has one special quality, that is very clean at heart. He will tell you everything at your face and there is nothing hidden. That is what I know for the last, I can say 40, 45 years. That is the biggest quality of a person. And on that quality you are loved. Then in addition to that, what we have seen, in spite of such a very short span of time, he has really contributed.
जमा गई सिर्फ अत सिलसिलस मज कि अलविदाई पार्टी ताकि करो शुक्र पन्निस एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर साहब यम हर विज प्रेथ मौकस पे अवेलेबल पे मे शेर या बहादुर शाह जफर मुगल डायनास्टी हूँ आखिरी बादशाह तम शेर वोनमुत दराजी उम्र के लिए मांगे थे 4 दिन 2 इंतज़ार में गुजरे 2 में गुजरे यो मिसाल गई कुलगाम डिवीजन पाथो कतान चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर साहब, लेकिन एक तरफ तो हमारी बदकिस्मती है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ पार्ट ऑफ सर्विस ये सपदो आज इंशाल्लाह खुदा के फजल से ये सपदो आज रिटर्न सहित। मगर अगर अत पे रोशनी त्रावो अंदर 4 रेतन पे 4 रेतन कम काम करना एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर वरियस कर 4 रेतन जानदारी से जब भी हम इसके पास आए हैं खुले दिल से रात के वक्त शाम के वक्त सुबह के वक्त तैयार हूँ। सिर्फ मे कत याद पे रिक्वेशन 5-6 ठेकेदारन हज यह आव श्रीनगर पे मीटिंग में वापस और इसने दस्तखत किया यह मे उम्र मशीद ग और खास सिफत एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियरों मज यह अवेलेबल, चाहे छोटा मुलाजिम हो, चाहे सोन एजी सबन ऑफिस हो, चाहे कंप्यूटर सेक्शन हो खड़ा खट, यह मिसाल अमी डिवीजन खतर। मेरे दुआएं इसके साथ है, आप लोगों के दुआएं इसके साथ है। अल्लाह ताला दीने में इज्जत और महफूज थे। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सर।
During this short tenure of mine as Executive Engineer PMGSY, whatever progress this division has achieved during this period is a direct result of your kind support, especially Chief Engineer Saab, SE Saab and District Administration and concerned executing agencies. I would like to thank my AWE's field engineers and other divisional staff who have worked with dedication during this period. I feel honored by your gracious presence today on the occasion of my superannuation from government service. I shall remember this period as a memorable period of my service. Thank you.
My pleasure.
चलिए जी।
With them, but I am again very much thankful to you. You made it. You lived our expectation. That is a great thing. Because everybody is happy.
हम आज यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। हमारे एजाज साहब जो इंजीनियर PMGSY कुलगाम है, ये आज नौकरी से इनका ये रिटायरमेंट हो रहा है, तो आज के बाद ये फ्री हो रहे हैं नौकरी से। तो इनकी जो इन्होंने जो कारकर्दगी पिछले 4 महीने में यहाँ की, इनका ये 4 महीने का टेन्योर था। ये जो यहाँ लोग जमा है और ये खुशी जो यहाँ है, इसकी अक्कासी है कि इनकी कारकर्दगी कैसी रही है। तो दैट इज़ द सेंटिमेंट व्हाट एवरीबडी हैज एक्सप्रेस। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट ही हैज़ परफॉर्म सो वेल, दैट ये हमारी डिपार्टमेंट की शान है, हमारी शान है। वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल him for performing so well that people are all happy, whether it is an agency, whether it is people or this, our engineers, everybody is happy with his work, and he has really proved to be a real good, professionally able engineer for the post-retirement life. तो हम यहाँ इसीलिए आए। मैसेज ये है कि ये ओकेजन याद करके अपनी परफॉर्मेंस उसी हिसाब से करें, ताकि कल लोग आपको भी जाते जाते ऐसे ही याद रखें, और ऐसे ही आपके जाने पे ऐसी ही खुशी भी हो और दिल मलूल भी हो, दोनों चीज़ मिक्स रहे।